All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVille, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy's my husband, and we're divorced, but we live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well, that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it out, right?
Welcome to a courtroom showdown that's about to get real messy today. We have a father who's convinced daycare is basically a germ factory, a mother who's done playing by his rules, and a judge who's not here for the nonsense. But here's the kicker: this case isn't about custody, it's about money. Who pays for daycare when one parent doesn't even want it? Buckle up, because this ruling is about to get spicy.
Maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you are
an interesting
working.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And you
I
guys
was
live.
working.
You guys live together right
Well,
now.
see,
Temporary,
well, the
dog.
reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. Childcare is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
he
let me ask
wanted
the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids.
Yes, and he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this would be a good arrangement.
Only
and he
reason I
would.
did that
He would.
'cause you
Hold on,
trying
one
to-
second,
Please,
sir.
finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse
Don't
me.
talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him.
Yes,
Sir,
yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity
different
to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well, that's
really,
not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that, but you know,
I'm
that
trying
has
to save
nothing to
money
do with me.
for childcare.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason. Come on.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you
so
mean you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working 2
time
days
you
a
have an
week.
outburst.
Yes, sir.
And that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case and you guys can go and work this out
I'm
somehow.
trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not, I already told you.
All right, so Dad's entire argument boils down to germs. Yes, you heard that right. He's out here acting like daycare is some post-apocalyptic biohazard zone. But let's be real, germs are everywhere. His kids are already around germs every time they leave the house. But the real kicker, he refused to even check out the daycare. If you won't even look at the place, do you really get to complain?
2 weeks ago, and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, "Go ahead, go." So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little partying
Oh,
and stuff.
wow.
You know, I
Okay.
work hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound like a good man.
No,
Cooking.
can we stop
I need a
this?
break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, she cried, talking about, well, what's going on? I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. You said go on down there, enjoy yourself. So that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay, well, good.
But
Well,
she
good.
think I was cheating on her down there.
Okay.
Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are
I'm
already
taking care of
divorced.
Kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of the kids.
Well, you
know.
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be placed on.
Oof, mom just dropped a bombshell. Dad is a full-on germaphobe. And it's not just about the kids, it's why their marriage fell apart. Now we're getting into the real drama. But here's the thing, she's a doctor, she's out there saving lives, while he's sealing himself off like he's prepping for the next pandemic. Talk about polar opposites, correct?
Okay, no, that's not happening. There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home as him. That's
So I just
not
need to kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I
reside
told you.
under this.
You didn't tell
Excuse
me
me.
that.
You know
I
what?
tried to tell you that.
You know what? I'm going to go
tried.
ahead and
I'm
tell
sorry.
you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no
Sorry,
to you.
Dawn.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay,
Now
yes,
I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay.
plan.
Well, here's the plan for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards?
This is classic. Dad wants family members to watch the kids instead. But here's the question, where were these magical family members when mom needed childcare? And let's not forget, most family members aren't trained professionals. Daycare isn't just about watching kids, it's about teaching them. So unless grandma is out here running a certified preschool, this argument isn't holding much weight.
Is this still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay,
I can
I'll go
legally-
ahead. I see you came here.
won't get in
Excuse me.
trouble.
I see you came here to waste my time.
Yeah, I
So
know.
I'll move along.
And there it is, the judge lays down the law. Both parents will split the daycare bill, $500 each. And just like that, Dad realizes he's now paying for something he didn't even want. But the alternative child support calculations based on his full income, which would have cost him way more. Tough break, buddy.
Your Honor,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said
I
about
ain't
my
got,
ruling?
no, I ain't got no question what you said. 'cause
Okay, the
she-
plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you
At the end of the day, the judge's decision was fair. You split time, you split costs. And honestly, for 2 kids, $1,000 a month is a pretty reasonable rate. So was Dad's argument about germs legit, or just a last-ditch effort to avoid daycare fees? Let us know in the comments. And if you love juicy courtroom drama, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more shocking cases, because trust me, it only gets wilder from here.